kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban
Yes.
para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
That was a very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes,
say as a
it's not
civilian,
a-
sa
well,
professional police.
It
Salamat
depends
kayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that.
It's not my
Hindi
view
ka
only, Mr. Chair.
dumaan
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan
record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
kayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam
kung
niyo,
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
silence, please.
Osaa, silence the gallery, and those who will do that again, exclude them from the hearing hall.
Gallery, please do not encourage me.
Okay, Mr.
Stay
President. Okay, Mr. President, it's now Senator Estrada who has the floor. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
sir.
Alam niyo po, nag-mayor din po ako ng San Juan, kaya I know where the former president is
Marami
coming
ka rin
from.
siguro pinatay, sir. Alam ko.
Mr. Chair, Mr. President, bibigyan ho namin kayo ng pagkakataon to air your side dahil nung napanood ko po yung mga revelations ng mga resource persons sa Quad Committee sa House of Representatives. Marami po mga revelations po ang mga naglabasan, katulad po ng kay Colonel Garma. Ang sabi po niya, she received a call from you sometime in May 2016. Can you confirm this, Mr. President?
Ay, hindi ako tumatawag ng pulis. Bahay? Yung sabi niya doon sa bahay? Hindi ko pinapupunta ng...
Before you assumed the presidency, you were still president-elect at the time. Sabi niya May 2016. So I presume you were still president-elect, Mr. President.
I do not remember
Calling her.
calling her. And for what? Yung presidente ako, nandyan na yung lahat nasa akin na ang...
Ang sabi po kasi niya dun sa kanyang revelation dun sa Quad Committee, nagpapahanap din po kayo ng isang police officer na miyembro ng INC. Tama po ba ito? Yun po ang sinabi ni Colonel Garma ron sa Quadcom, sa House of Representatives, yun ang Pangulo.
I hate to say this, but... Nagsisinungaling yung gagang yan. Bakit ako mamili ng Iglesia ni Cristo? Di, yung mga aglipay, pati isali ko na lang. Yung Mormons. Why would I zero in sa Iglesia ni Cristo? For what reason?
Yun po ang sinabi ni...
Kaya, sir,
Opo.
I am just trying to in-explain ko kung bakit ako magpatawag ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Di, ipatawag ko na lang yung Mormons, pati yung aglipay. Trabaho nila yan, sir. Ako, Mayor Presidente. Wala akong pakialam kung anong relihiyon ninyo. Trabaho kayo dyan. Alam nila yan. Alam nila yan kung paano ko sila murahin.